Hello and welcome to another Simple Tech review. Today we're having a look at the Orbit 950 dual dashcam from Mygekogear. The Orbit 950 is a dual dashcam system that simultaneously records the front and back of your vehicle in crisp 1080p video. It records GPS location and speed information, has lane departure and front collision warnings. It can be accessed remotely through Wi-Fi and can even be easily detached for security or evidence purposes. Let's begin with the unboxing. We first have the 950 front camera. Note that the camera can be swiveled to give you the best view for your vehicle. Next, we have the adjustable 1080p rear camera. Next is the windshield camera mount. We then have the lighter socket power adapter. Next, we have the very nice inclusion of a 16GB microSD card to get you going right out of the box. And finally, there's the user manual. Having a closer look, on the front we have the 140-degree adjustable lens with a resolution of 1080p. On the back is a 3-inch color LCD screen. On top, there's the microSD card slot up to 128GB and the mount port. And on the bottom, we can see the microphone and the buttons for menu, left and picture snapshot, the power button, right and mic, and the file lock OK button. To install the camera, first find a suitable place on your windshield to fix the mount with this 3M tape. The adjustable lens makes it easy to place almost anywhere and still get a nice view of the road. Next, find the best spot on your rear window and set the back camera in place. Now, route the rear camera's cable through the vehicle's headliner and connect it on both ends. Route the lighter power cable from the camera's mount and connect it to the lighter socket. Insert the microSD card in the front camera, plug it in securely on the mount, and you'll be ready to record all of your trips as soon as the ignition is turned on. Looking now at the camera settings, you can review the SD card recordings, turn the Wi-Fi on or off, check the GPS connection status, synchronize the time with GPS, change the speed between miles and kilometers per hour, set a speed limit alarm, change the time zone, turn on the lane departure warning, enable the forward collision warning, set the date and time, change the language, choose the video's watermark, select the front camera's resolution, use the screensaver to turn the display off, mute the microphone, turn the beeping sound on or off, change the volume, set the loop recording interval, set the G-sensor sensitivity, turn the parking monitor on or off, turn the wide dynamic range lighting option on. You can delete the recorded files. You can reset the factory settings, format the SD card, and show the barcodes to download the mobile app. And speaking about the mobile app, let's go ahead and take a look at it. You can get it by scanning the barcode directly from the camera's menu, the user manual, or going into the App Store and searching for it. To use the app, first turn on Wi-Fi in the camera settings. Then from your phone, look for the Orbit 950 wireless signal and connect to it. After that, launch the app and select Connect Card DVR. You will then be able to see the live view from the camera, which you can switch to a full screen view. At the bottom left, you will see the snapshot button, which will take a picture of the current view and save it to your phone. Here, you can also change some of the camera settings on the fly, such as the camera's recording resolution, mute the microphone, set the loop recording interval, change the TV out mode, format the SD card, and reset to factory settings. The app also allows you to view the camera's recorded videos and image files so you can check them on the fly without removing the SD card. And finally, you can view all of the GPS recorded data such as location, speed, heading, G-forces, and a map view by downloading the dashcam viewer into your computer and using it to view the recordings. You can get the dashcam viewer from the Mygekogear webpage or use the link in the description below to download it. In conclusion, if you're looking for a dash cam that records both the front and back of your vehicles in crisp 1080p video, then the Orbit 950 is a great option. It will record location and speed information with its integrated GPS. It can be easily accessed from your phone through Wi-Fi. It has a low profile installation, an adjustable lens to get the best view of the road, has safety features built in, and it can be easily removed without having to worry about cables and mounts. If you'd like to check out the Orbit 950 from Mygekogear, don't forget to click the link provided below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, sharing, and clicking the bell icon for more. I'll see you on our next review.